person is a happy person. Good health is the elixir for a happy life.
Good health helps us to enjoy the little things in life. Good morning, everyone. Today, the students of class 1D are here to discuss some good habits that we should follow to lead a healthy life. As we all know, the whole world is facing a tough and critical situation because of the pandemic. So, maintaining healthy habits has become even more important.
We all know by now what we should do to stay safe, but let us remind ourselves once more.
Always wear a mask when stepping out of the house. Wash your hands often or use the hand sanitizer. Maintain 2-meter distance from one another. Avoid crowded places. Oh God, so many things to keep in mind.
You're right. It is not very easy to maintain so many things at the same time.
We must keep ourselves safe.
If we follow all the protocols, only then can we fight the virus and protect ourselves and our loved ones.
Staying at home means eating constantly, ordering food from restaurants, mommy cooking delicious meals, yummy.
But, Radhika, are you eating healthy food?
Eating too much of junk food or olive food can make us ill. We can suffer from digestive problems, stomach infections, and so much more.
We should not be eating outside food regularly.
Should have freshly prepared home cooked food, eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and drink milk that will protect our body.
We need to eat healthy food so that we can build our immune system to fight against all the diseases, especially the coronavirus now.
Not forget that drinking enough water is also very important. Yes, everyone, we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. But remember to drink clean, purified water or you can fall ill. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Why did you sneeze without covering your mouth? Don't you remember? Our teachers always tell us to cover our mouth with a handkerchief when we sneeze.
Not only when we should sneeze, we should cover our mouth when we cough and yawn.
If we don't cover our mouth when we sneeze and cough, then we can spread viruses. You are correct, Sanav and Samrit. We must maintain this healthy habit strictly now because of the ongoing pandemic.
Go on up, please wash your hands.
Remember, friends, maintaining personal hygiene is one of the most important healthy habits that we must follow.
Yes, like washing our hands before and after eating food, and when we touch something dirty,
Brushing our teeth twice a day and taking a bath every day using soap. Friends, do not forget to do some exercise as well. Yes, absolutely. We must keep our body healthy and fit. Right. I also want to add one more important thing, my friends. Go to bed early and sleep for at least 7 hours every night.
Thank you, friends, for the important tips you all said.
Remember, we first make our habits and then our habits make us.
This means that it is important